pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay for the entire video, watch it, and maybe think about subscribing. Okay, so am I returning gems? I love you guys so very much. So today I'm talking a little bit about this palette here and doing a review. I got this in the Glitz Glam Box, right? Yes, the Glitz Glam Box is the one that I got this palette. I did some swatches when I unboxed it. I was super impressed, so I put that on my eyes today. I do that little mini review for you, and I wanted to give you guys some updates. Ipsy Refreshments came April 2nd, like it was here, and I was like, oh, so this is my refill kit, I believe. This cost me $5, and I'm kind of surprised. It came super fast, and I'm wondering if you order other refreshments with it, if it'll be that quick, you know? That'd be neat. So they actually give you, instead of just giving you the cartridges that go in with the razor, they actually give you everything all over again. Check that out. They gave me a new razor, another one of those little doohickeys that you hang up, and they never work for me though, and then 2 more blades. So I thought that that was kind of cool that they actually gave you everything all over again. It's kind of neat. Now I can act, if I want to, I can go ahead and give my daughter this razor and she can have one of the refills as well. So I wanted to give you guys the update on that, and I do like the bags it comes in. I'm liking these bags more and more, the drawstring. Okay guys, so now you want to see how I got this look and what I think of this palette, right? So let's get into that. Okay, so here we are. We are going to try this palette that came in my $15 Glitz Glam bag. I'm super excited about this because we did some swatches, if you remember, in that video, and we were like, there's pigment here. Wow, you know? So I was super excited about this. And I was thinking, like, it says it has a $38 value. And the one I just got in Fashionsta, I was not happy with, and the formulas were chalky and everything else. So I'm wondering if I should do like a battle of the palettes here, because I cannot believe that well, let's see how it performs first, and then we'll continue that. All right, so we've got, there's just for mattes, let's go in, I just don't know. I'm confused. This is a very interesting color story. All right, so we're going in with the color called Page, just to get some color on my eyes. I have some MAC Pink Pot in Bare Study. That is my eye primer that I'm using right now. Okay, so let's get this base shade down, and then let's play with these other colors here. I'm curious. Oh, you know what? That one looks like a good color. All right. So I'm liking this color, Leo. I'm liking the white. I think I want to do like, let's just go for the really bright colors in here and see what we can do. We've got this Chris and Wyatt, which is just like a gorgeous looking blue. And I'm really wanting to feel it right here. Okay, so it is pigmented. Right now I'm really just placing down the color, and then I will go in and blend as needed. That is an amazing color. Wow. Should have put my hair back. Let's get this colored. Okay, let's go in with white lighter and put that on the inner corner, well, the inner part of my lid. I'm just using a regular Anastasia brush. It's a little chalky. I did put setting spray on it though, so I might have to build it a little bit and just blend it out. There's not a lot of kickback in the pan with this. This green, and we've got a purple in here. I think we're just going to go in with Piper and put that right here. We're done. Okay, so we're going to do underneath the eye, and I did some wing liner. I love me some black eyeliner, so I put that on, and I'm thinking I want to put a little bit of this pinkish Phoebe color in here because it's just super pretty. Okay, I'm just going to go in with an angled brush and stamp it in. Oh, this is a pretty creamy shade. Oh my goodness, that is way too much. There we go. And we're going to put some right here. Whew. Okay. Getting time to wash my brushes again. Yes. Okay. I'm just liking that. It's real. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's a really soft touch of pink. It's just super pretty. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab a little bit more of that pink on an Anastasia brush. Then we're going to go into Leo right after this. And finish up with that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at the pigment on that. Holy jeez. Wow. I'm quite shocked that this palette actually, it performed well. And maybe I shouldn't be, but I am. Alright. We're just blending this out. And we're going to do some mascara and some lashes. Oh, and my favorite new lip product right now is actually the one that I got from KKW Beauty. So I'm going to put that on, get some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished up, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this palette. Definitely. Guys, if you got it, I would definitely suggest using it, trying it out. There's some really pretty vibrant colors in here, and I really didn't have any problems blending or anything like that. So I'm super impressed with this and quite surprised, but it definitely gets my approval. So I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate every single one of you. Guys, I'm so very excited about so many wonderful things that are coming in 2021, and I just want to say thank you, and I'm sure you will see some changes over the next couple months, and it's just growth. It's moving in the right direction. It's I've got a lot of exciting things that I will be announcing along the way. So thanks again for joining me for this video, and I will see you guys real soon in another one. Bye.